Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's video. Now today I'm going to show you how to make the Kenyan favorite hot dog. Now it's actually a Boerewors sausage. We usually have it in the supermarket. It's something that is really popular, but I want to show you how to actually make it at home and to do it right. I always get pissed off whenever I go to a supermarket and they don't get it right, especially on the onion part. The caramelized onion that is usually on top. I'll show you how to do that. So I've served it with a bun with sesame seeds. I prefer this one like the plain one. Then bite into it. Nice sweet flavor. I have some mustard on top. The Boerewors is perfect. So that combination of savory and sweet. Watch till the end and you see how simple it is to make it. Let's get cooking. So the first thing you want to get right is getting the right or the preferred sausage. So usually, good thing about nowadays, this sausage is actually available in the supermarket. So get the Boerewors that you prefer. The trick when it comes to cooking the Boerewors is do not deep fry it, and also do not cook with too much oil, and also don't cook it on too high heat. Now when it comes to the onion, actually that's why I'm actually doing this video. I want to show you how to do proper caramelized onion. Is cut your onions into even sized slices and then put it on a pan with some oil, not too much but also just enough to cook that onion, and let it start cooking or browning evenly. And so the first 3 to 4 minutes you actually cook the onion on medium heat, and keep an eye on it so that you keep stirring it so that it doesn't cook on the outside and then on the at the center it's not fully cooked. Keep stirring it, especially when it starts to brown, so that it actually cooks evenly. If you have a wide pan, you can actually use it, because when you have a wide pan it will actually cook evenly at the same time. If the onions will be overlapping on top of each other, then you need to keep stirring it. So once the onions starts to brown evenly, and this should take about 8 minutes, especially with a lot of onion. So once the onions are evenly brown, my tip is take a little bit of sugar, sprinkle on top, and let the sugar, the way you'd add actually some salt, and let the sugar melt into the onion, and keep cooking it for like up to 2 minutes on medium to low heat, so that the sugar will actually incorporate into the onion, and then it will actually caramelize and brown evenly and give that onion a nice sweet taste. What I usually see people doing, especially in supermarkets, is take soy sauce and then add it to the onion, and don't get that nice caramelized sweet taste. Now all that is left is to bring everything together. So I have some mayonnaise and also some mustard that I will use. So the first thing I do with the mayonnaise is after cutting the bread at the center, is to spread the mayonnaise on the sides of the bread, the way you add some butter. Once you have spread the mayonnaise on the side, take your sausage, put it at the center, and then take your caramelized onion and put an even amount on top. So this is optional. Whatever you put on top, it will be up to you. I prefer just adding mustard, because that tangy mustard taste will work well with the sweet caramelized onion. I don't need any ketchup. I don't need anything else. But again, it's up to you. You can also add chili sauce. It's up to you. All that is left is to dig in and enjoy. So I hope this video has been helpful. I've showed you how to make the Kenyan hot dog, basically a Boerewors hot dog, and I hope you'll enjoy yours and try it at home. So that's been my take on how to make a Boerewors hot dog. Hope you've learned something new. Let me know in the comment section when you make yours, and Hope you'll appreciate it more using my method. Goodbye.